Everybody that walks through this gate is a mum or a dad or a son or a brother. If you have somebody in your family who's got an illness that could take their life, you spend most of your time being terrified. I think that the work that we do restores people to life.
Before Brynawel, I was basically planning a funeral. Because he wouldn't have seen that year out. It was quite harrowing to watch because I was helpless.
There were some points I was drinking 18 cans a day, plus still going out for a pint. You know what I mean? It was a lot. And my mother had passed away, and that was when I really started drinking. I felt isolated. I felt anxious, very anxious. I'd lie all the time about everything. I started to just lie into myself. But I just didn't acknowledge my problems. I didn't know what I was doing was wrong.
It was affecting my health as well. So, yeah, I couldn't do that to myself. And I couldn't do it to our children anymore.
I said to her, I think I need to go to rehab.
When I first saw Dan, it was the day that he was admitted to Brynawel. And I remember standing in the front office of Brynawel. I was on the telephone. And as he was walking up the drive, I looked out of the window and I thought, you're dying.
I was still of the mind that I didn't think I was going to be bringing him home because he was that ill going in.
Once you get there and you realise that everybody that's there is there the same as you. They all want help. Doing the work, going to one-to-ones, you all start helping each other and you do make lifetime friendships. It's like a second home there.
He really is a shining example, I think, of what people can achieve when they're prepared to put in the work around their recovery. It's such a privilege to see him and people like him because they shine. And he's now running his own groups where he lives, you know.
I wanted to be a volunteer. It's nice to give back what you've been taught. I think they prefer to talk to somebody that's gone through being Brian in Brynawel. It does make me feel proud. It gives a little flutter in the stomach, butterflies in the stomach. So that's what Brynawel taught me, is it's a community to keep together.
Small charities with very little, it's like fishes and loaves, right? We make a huge difference.
If you decide to go into volunteering, you've got to give it 100%. Give 100% of yourself, because in my case, obviously, I give 100% of myself because I am better. I am better now.